Okay, I have a Lockwood, a 334C45, another one. I was trying to make a key for it. It didn't have a key for this lock. Anyway, I accidentally put the wrong pins in the lock and the key doesn't work. So we'll have to open it and make a new key for it. This Lockwood padlock here is really has like a quick set keyway to it, and I don't have a quick set keyway here to show you, but it is just like a quick set key. So let's try to use the bottom of the keyway, and let's see if we can open this up since I put the wrong pins in it. Let's reset it. Okay. Okay, it's 5 and or 6 and 5, and there is 3. Okay, there's pin 1 giving us some feedback. Okay, it's open. Okay, now we can make a key, the right key for it. Since we don't have a key that works, we don't want to lock it back. We'd have to put it back together and open it again. Okay, let's see if we can slide this out. Okay, this is not the right key for it, or for the pins, so you can see that the pins are, all 6 are in and working. So I'll have to redo the pins for this key. Okay, 1 is serrated, 2 serrated, 3 serrated, 4 serrated, 5 serrated, and 6 serrated. Okay, no changes have been made to the plug itself. Okay, we do have some anti-drill pins on the side. Alright, let's check our top pins. Okay, pin 1 is a serrated type spool, I believe. This is another different kind of spool. There's another double spool or serrated spool. Serrated pin. There's another type of spool. There's another serrated pin. No change has been made to the Bible. Let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, pins 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom are all serrated key pins. This is a type of spool. This This, I guess you call it a double spool, similar, on 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we've got a serrated pin, a double spool, and another serrated pin. And the bottom, all the bottom pins are also serrated. Okay, that's what we have in this Lockwood padlock. Appreciate you watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again.